Dear learners, the Romantic period spanning from the late 18th to the early 19th century marks a revolutionary shift in British literature. Remember, it was an age of profound transformation. Political revolutions, industrial change, and new philosophies that questioned reason and celebrated emotion, imagination, and individual experience. In this course, we will explore the works of 6 major Romantic poets. William Blake is there, William Wordsworth is there, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Thank you very much.